Welcome to Autocritic USA. The Tata Sumo 2025 is a bold reimagining of a classic, blending rugged heritage with futuristic design. This heavily modified version is designed for those who demand both style and serious off-road capabilities. Finished in a stunning matte white with black detailing and yellow highlights, the vehicle immediately grabs attention. Its aggressive wide-body kit gives it a muscular stance, while the oversized off-road tires with deep tread and custom alloy wheels hint at its go-anywhere potential. At the front, the SUV boasts a completely redesigned grille with integrated LED light bars, sharp LED headlights, and sleek daytime running lights that give it a cutting-edge appearance. A custom front bumper adds to the aggressive look, ensuring it stands out in any environment. The side profile features extended fenders, blacked-out window tints, and elevated ground clearance, making it clear that this SUV is built to conquer challenging terrains while maintaining a luxurious street presence. The rear of the Tata Sumo 2025 carries forward the bold aesthetic with futuristic LED taillights, a sporty spoiler, and a robust bumper with matching yellow accents. Every detail, from the body panels to the lighting setup, reflects a design focused on durability, aggression, and visual impact. Though specific engine specs haven't been disclosed, the design suggests a powerful drivetrain capable of handling both city streets and off-road adventures with ease. This futuristic version of the Tata Sumo isn't just a concept, it's a statement. A symbol of how classic utility can meet modern-day performance and style. If you're passionate about automotive innovation and love seeing legends reborn in style, make sure to like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more epic builds and reviews.